Hello and welcome to Blocs Master. My name is Elder and this is the quick video for Andreas and everybody else who are using the Minimalist library 2.1 and has a question on how to edit drop-down menus in some of the sidebars I have there. So basically, as you can see, I have this drop-down menu here, and if we go to preview mode, you will see how it works. And the question this user had was, what if I want to have multiple drop-down menus here? So basically, how it is structured, you can see that there is this link and then there is this product list, and product list is not visible on canvas because it is hidden using the collapse class, so we can temporarily remove it. As you can see, it will appear. And what we want to do, let's say we want to have two of these links, these drop-down menus. So I will select this link, Command D to duplicate. I will select the product list, Command D to duplicate. Then we can just move this link down there and we can remove this to something else. For example, let's say that this is what we want to have here. And of course you can change all of the icons individually, but this is not what this video is about. So basically there are a few things you need to change. You can see that we have this link here, and this link is using a couple of settings. It's using the toggle class interaction, and it has some custom attributes applied. So basically one thing is focusing on making sure this icon, arrow icon, is kind of animated. And the other thing is used for hiding and showing this product list. So right now, as you can see, we have one. This one is working already, so I will take the gallery one, the new one, and we don't need to target this arrow from the previous list, because this one, as you can see, arrow 11, but this one will be different. So by default, when you duplicate something in Blocs, as you can see, the original one was having this ID, but the new one, if we select it, as you can see, it will automatically add some numbers here. You can rename it, or you can just copy this number, go back to the new link and make sure that the target ID for this link is the same as this arrow. So that's half of the job done. The other thing is we need to set the data BS target, basically to target the new list we have here, the gallery list. Right now it is targeting the product list. So if you select this div, you will see that it has also ID, nav11 list, and this is what this one is now targeting by default. As you can see, nav11 list, but we don't want to have this link targeting this drop-down menu, so select the new drop-down menu. So you can see you can do that in the layer tree as well, so product list, and make sure that you give this list an ID, because as you can see there is no ID when you duplicate it for this list. So let's say, well, let's just add 2 at the end, and now we can go to gallery and make sure that our data BS target has 2 at the end, and that's all. So we can of course again add the collapse class to collapse to hide these 2 drop-down lists. Now when we go to preview, you will see that now we have 2 drop-down lists and they are working independently. Of course you can open both of them, and well, you can do whatever you want. So hope that was helpful for Andreas and everybody else. If you have any other questions or requests, let me know and I will do my best to record videos like this as soon as I can. So thanks for watching. I will talk to you in the next video.